It's so hot!
I can't breathe. Too hot.
What?
It's a sea monster.
Okay, that's not normal summer heat.
Run!
Maybe a giant shaved ice machine can save us.
How to build the shaved ice machine.
Number 1. Build the cooling chamber. Add the outer panel. I'll pour ice cubes into the chamber to freeze the water. Number 2. Build the ice shaving chamber. The motor. Add the motor inside. I'll add the gears that make the roller spin. Now I'll build the roller core using these sprocket pieces. Silver tube. Add the front grille. Add the control arms. Number 3. Build the top container. Add the water tank. Snow shaved ice machine is done. Testing.
Behold, the giant shaved ice machine. The giant shaved ice machine's coming. I'll show you what this machine can do. Take this, ice attack. Wait, you're not mad. You're just overheating. Let's try something cooler. A rainbow shaved ice is coming.
Thank you.
Wait! He's becoming a detention basin!
Everyone, the heat has broken.
Does anyone want some shaved ice?
Really? It's so fresh. Best summer ever.
Taco delivery's here. Oh. Your order's here, ma'am.
Thank you. So excited. I'm starving now. Why is it so hard to get a good taco around here? Fine, I'll just build my own automatic taco machine. Taco machine is ready. This is final station, where I add ketchup, chili sauce, mayonnaise, and a lot of cheese. Now back to the veggies and meat station. Shredded beef, sliced sausage, and shredded chicken go in here, while tomatoes, carrots, and purple cabbage fill the rest trays. I also need half a lime to brighten the flavor. Here is the station where the taco shells go down. First, I load in 3 taco shells, one by one. They're pushed out onto the transfer rail. And then carried over to the filling machine. I've prepared 3 types of meat, chicken, sausage, and beef for me and my friends. Also, a layer of veggies goes on top of the meats to balance the taco's richness. Later, fresh lime is pressed onto the tacos to brighten their flavor. Now the rail carries my tacos to the sauces and cheese machine. I like my tacos extra cheesy, so I loaded plenty of cheese onto the machine. And to top it all off, every taco gets a sauce of its own. Wow! Finally, one last layer of cheese on top. Tacos with 3 flavors are ready! Time for a taco party! I brought the tacos. This is so good.
Tacos forever.
What does the taco production line include? 1. Topping dispenser. Testing drop function. Lego dots. The Lego dots fall straight through perfectly. Orbeez. Testing press function. The Orbeez is completely crushed. 2. Taco shell transfer rail. I build a rail to hold and move the taco shells. This rail can move horizontally. And it can also move vertically. I add another rail to connect it to the previous stage. 3. Taco shell lower. This shell holder will hold the taco shells and folds them into shape. Then it pushes them forward to the next position. Now, I add 2 elevators on each side. Testing.
Oh no! What happened to the bridge? The sand is washed away. How do I cross this river? It's time to build a concrete bridge here. Ho-ho! The sand for the bridge foundation is here. Then, let's spread it evenly. Next, let's place the bridge edges. And the mesh over the sand. Here comes the concrete mixer.
How to build the concrete mixer truck. 1. Build the tractor uni, battery box, the motor, the gear set, the front wheels, the rear wheels, wheel fenders, steering wheel, exhaust pipe, add the seat. 2. Build the concrete mixer trailer. First, I'll build the base frame around this motor. Next, I'll make the mixer support frame. Add the gear, add the wheels. Mixing drum. The drum can tilt forward and backward smoothly whenever unloading is needed. Spinning motor. This motor will keep the drum rotating smoothly, so all the materials are mixed evenly. Connect mixer trailer to tractor unit. Testing. Lego bricks.
Time to mix some concrete.
Sand. Cement.
Water. The concrete is ready. The bridge deck is full. I'll smooth the concrete out. Now I'll paint the road markings. All that's left is adding street lights. And the railings. This bridge looks amazing. Finally, crossing the river is easy again.
This heat is brutal. I'm burning up out here.
I wish we had a giant bathtub right now.
I might know someone who can help.
Then call him.
We're dying of heat. Please bring your weird car here soon.
Copy that, sir. I'll bring the bathtub truck coming right up. The bathtub truck is here.
Awesome.
Glad you came.
That was quick.
Okay, now let's fill the bathtub with water.
How to build the mobile cooling bathtub truck. 1. Build the bathtub. First, I found a bathtub 3D model online that fits this truck perfectly. Then I used the 3D printer to bring this bathtub into the real world. 2. Build the truck body. Motor. Linear actuator. Battery box. The weight. Flatbed plate. Now the truck bed can lift and tilt smoothly. 3. Build the cabin. Add the seats. Now I'm printing a shower faucet for the bathtub. Shower faucet? Place the bathtub onto the truck, testing the water flow. Testing the dump function.
All right, you can hop into the tub now, guys.
This water feels so cool.
Man, I feel like I've been given a whole new lease on life. 2 hours later.
So how do you feel?
Thanks to your mobile bathtub, I'm clean and cool now.
Thanks for choosing my serving.
No, thank you. That really cooled us down.
This water's gotten pretty dirty. Time to drain it out. Now let's find my next customers.
It's too hot here. I'm melting, babe.
Yeah,
I just want to jump into a bathtub right now.
This heat is unbearable.
I'd do anything for a cold bath right now.
The bathtub truck is here. Everyone, cool off with a bath. Just $5 a soak.
Our savior is here.
Did you see that?
Quick, this way, Hun.
This looks interesting. We'll go first.
No, it's our turn.
All right, everybody, let me fill up the tub first.
Wow, that's actually pretty cold.
This feels so refreshing.
5 hours later.
I don't feel hot anymore.
Same here. Best $5 ever.
Awesome! Business is booming today. Oh crap, what happened? Well, at least I got a free bath.